What's up, Fitted Squad? This is Brad, aka 2Fitted, coming to you with another quick video. And today, we're heading on over to the Central Florida Z Club meet. It's their year-end meet at Ace Cafe. I heard it's packed already, and it's supposed to start in about an hour and a half. So, we're gonna start to head on over there and see if we can get a good spot. I know that they usually have it reserved for the Z's, G's, and GTRs, so we'll go ahead and let them get all of the main spots for the show, and we'll just go in for support. Also, speaking of support, make sure you hit the merch store, link in the description below, and if you use the code 2Fitted, you'll get 10% off. Link will be in the description below. But yeah, let's go ahead and head on over there now. Alright, so just getting here. Whew, looking good. First time getting to see this in person now that he's bagged. Sheesh. I won't get too much in it because I believe his daughter's in the car, but sheesh. I'll throw a link to his Instagram in the description below or on the screen. Good, great focus. We'll get them when they come in. So this will be just a little bit of a teaser. Video will be coming soon for this one. I got to do a sound test and everything too on that video, so I'm not done with that one yet, but that one's coming soon. But yeah, let's take a look at these cars. Alright, so I'm gonna start making the rounds now. I believe I heard this one come when I came in. That was pretty good. Hold up. NSX being sneaky in here. I believe I know the owner of this one. Okay. Let's see. No, I do not. Nice GTR. Pretty clean. So much motivation. What's up? I heard y'all coming. I heard y'all coming. Sound good. So, oh, what's the King Von? I was just listening to the song too. Alright, we got Nismo here with his Datsun shirt I saw. Central. We still got people leaving from like some kind of painting event, so you may see some other cars kind of just in there sprinkled throughout, so but they'll be leaving soon. All right, I believe most of the spots on the inside they've already left for their event, but yeah, I'm gonna go through and get everybody. Then I gotta get my shot from up top as well. Should be open up there again. Oh, and as always, let me know which one is your favorite in the comments below. So many dope ones already, but we'll see which one stands out. Loving a bunch of these setups. I believe they're still here from the other event. It's just so many. It's always hard to see which direction to start. Hello.
How you doing?
All right. How are you?
Color for you like that? I don't think how I'm gonna make the car.
Sheesh. That has my attention right here. I want to get one of those. Same color and everything. Okay. Should be a Limbo going on this time as well. I think they said around 6 they're going to try to start it. The 300ZXs are usually shoe-ins for those because they're so, the wheelbase, or not the wheelbase, their height's so low, even stock. They were kind of killing it last time. Alright, that color is pretty good too. Really feeling that. Never get tired of the GTRs.
We're gonna go there and we're gonna straight.
I may have found my favorite. Look like a R33 with the R34 front end. But let's take a look. Is it? Yep. Pretty dope. Charizard on the side. Hey, I know who car this is. I'm going to have to find him. I don't think I've met him in person yet. The Jeeps are set up for, I believe, the event that's coming next. The next one. They have some kind of charity thing going on. I have to go take a look at that. They're definitely clean.
I know.
That's clean too. I don't know which one is my favorite GTR I've seen so far. Ugh, don't know. That's a tough one. But that's the initial. It's been going on for about an hour and a half now. I got here a little late, had a few things to do, but pretty good turnout so far. Usually a lot of people show up a little bit later, so go hang out with the homies for a little bit and pick up the camera as people come in and things start to happen.
What's up, Father?
How you doing? It's a nice body kit. Yeah. RX-7. It's still scraping too. But that's how you roll in. Of course, we heard him before we saw him. Of course, we heard him before we saw him. We're gonna park over here. 18s by 18s. Alright, so got the Limbo contest going on now. Yeah, probably not gonna record this whole one like last time, because last time it was like 20-30 minutes with all of the cuts and everything. But yeah. Got a lot of right-hand drive cars.
I'm so damn hungry.
Air out, air out. You gonna have to go lower than that? Nah, there we go.
He's saving it for later.
Yeah. Showman. Alright, came up here to get some shots for the Limbo as it's still going on. Looks like they adding some people to it. Oh, that's dope. I think I know who that is. Real clean. Guess ain't no more spots out there for him. Alright, so basically Z-Night is, I guess it's supposed to have been over a little while ago, about an hour ago. And it's Jeep time, but still not that many Jeeps here. But they're still rolling in. And we still got a bunch of the Z's, G's, and the Nissans and Infinitys here. But that's pretty much gonna do it for this video. I'd like to thank you all for tuning in. If you've seen any friends, family members, make sure to share the video with them, tag them, whatever you gotta do. But yeah, thanks for tuning in. Please like, comment, subscribe, and as always, have a good one. Peace.